joined by Shannan Bamforth, Managing Director of Codrus Minerals. Shannan, thanks for your time.
Good to be here, thank you.
New to the market, listing only in June last year, following a very successful IPO. What are the projects and what's been the focus?
So we got onto the ground on all of our projects, getting boots on the ground, started drilling, started doing some geophysical surveys to help us underpin some further targeting, and really making sure that we're getting bang for our buck in terms of exploration success.
Where are the projects and why focus on these areas?
So we've gone to areas in Australia. We've got 3 projects. They're all located within short trucking distance to existing operating processing plants. So that really gives us a twofold opportunity to generate wealth, and that is really through going and, one, the holy grail of standalone, or 2, if you find a couple of 100,000 ounces, you can still monetise it and get it into an existing processing facility. The 2 assets near Kalgoorlie are Red Gate and Silver Swan South, and they are 140 and 40 kilometres out of Kalgoorlie respectively. And then we've got the Nullagine project up in the Pilbara, a good gold project up there. And we also have an interest in some tenements in the US, in Eastern Oregon, where there is still artisanal mining going on a couple of times a year for very high grade underground dirt. And we've got a really good foothold there, and we're looking forward to exploring over there very shortly.
Only been a short time since listing, but what operational highlights have you achieved?
Really getting on the ground and drilling straight after listing was a highlight for the business. We didn't sort of talk about it and then delay. We were drilling straight after listing. Probably the highlight in terms of the drilling results that we've seen to date was the Red Gate drilling that we were able to announce earlier this week. That was a real highlight for us, seeing 23 metres at 3.8 grams a tonne, including 5 metres at just under 15 grams a tonne, with some other supporting mineralisation and around it, and going out to prospects that didn't have any drilling whatsoever and getting some nice mineralisation on those as well. So a great start for that project.
Each of your projects have some big neighbours.
Yes, so down around Kalgoorlie we've got Evolution, Northern Star, sitting as our neighbours on the Silver Swan South project, and then when we move further afield up to Red Gate, we've got Northern Star. Nexus has had a great run in the market with their exploration results recently, and then on our eastern border at Red Gate, Anglo Gold have pegged in there, and then up in the Nullagine it's some really nice neighbours there. Novo Resources, who's refreshed and rejuvenated the Golden Eagle Processing Centre to process their Beatons Creek ore, and then Codrus that are doing a great job of getting their project up and running to the north of us. And
where to from here?
So for us, it's really about exploration success. We're highly leveraged to exploration success. Market cap of $10 million, $10.5 million, $6 million in the bank. So look, we think getting on the ground and following up some of those great results at Red Gate, continuing to build the underlying data sets to help us effectively target drilling up at Nullagine at the Middle Creek project, and doing the same thing as well over in Oregon at Bull Run.
Newly listed, but haven't rested on your laurels. You've been busy and active right from the get-go. A big plan ahead, exciting projects, neighbours keeping an eye on you. Shannan, exciting times ahead for you and the company.
Absolutely.